Welcome to Origanti Enterprises, offering air conditioners and installation services. The company was incepted in the year 2007 at Secunderabad. Good financial position and TQM help us to cater Indian subcontinent. Market-specific rates and prompt delivery help us to serve towers, corporate, malls and hospital industries. AC installation services, Samsung air conditioners and air conditioner cassette units are some of our products and services. We offer AC installation services that are widely acclaimed in the market. Mitsubishi electric air conditioners offered by us are extremely reliable. Our wall-mounted air conditioners and multi-air conditioner systems are best in the industry. We also provide Samsung air conditioners that are well known for their durability. Our air conditioner cassette units are nothing but the best solution for all you need. To get more information, log on at www.origantienterprises.com.